megathrust earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1 struck the Indian Ocean. This catastrophic event off Sumatra, Indonesia, unleashed waves over 100 feet high. These massive waves crashed into the coastlines of 14 countries, leaving devastation in their wake. Coastal communities were wiped out, homes reduced to rubble, and countless lives lost in an instant. Over 230,000 people perished, prompting an unprecedented global relief effort. On January 12, 2010, a magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck Haiti, causing widespread devastation. Centered southwest of Port-au-Prince, it tore